Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
She said very clearly that she will forward the same to the Environment Ministry because the notification of the hearing was been issued by the Environment Ministry. So ताणे सांगलं तांकां बरयता म्हणून. People, they want to do this hearing and they want to pass a plan which is not going to be good for Goans. आमकां कोणच्याच गोंयकाराक हो फायद्याचो आसपाना, फक्त फायद्याचो हे जे बशिल्ले आहा आनी जांचे सेटिंग आसा तांच्या खातीर आसा.
And this is the failure of this BJP government today. They want to bulldoze everything and they want to rob the lands. Khazan land चोरी करपाच्यो ह्यो सगल्यो गजाल्यो. We strongly oppose this hearing. And also we have to keep in mind, they have to ensure if a hearing is happening, all those who are coming for hearing should have been vaccinated, should be ensured that they are, not carrying any, otherwise it is a big danger to everyone.
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा ते कोस्टल झोन जे आसा 100 किलोमिटर्स कितें हें करपाक सोदता. आमचो इतलेंच आसा की सुसेगाद घेयात, यू ऑल डोंट बी इन हरी, टेक योर ओन टायम, गिव अस ऑल्सो टायम, एंड दीस थिंग्स शूड बी डन एट द डावन लेवल. आय मीन टू से पंचायत लेवलाच्या हातीन दियात. एवरी प्रत्येक गोंयान जे पंचायत आसा ते लोकांक दियात, फ्रॉम द पंचायत लेवल येवन दी हियरिंगाचे. आनी दुसरें म्हणटा ते फिशरमॅन जी कम्युनिटी आसा, फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटीकूय तुमी बरोबर घेवन हें करात.